Through our sector-based work academy, we worked with this store, M&S, here in Hatfield.
Hiya, I'm Laura. I'm the store manager here of Hatfield Marks & Spencer's.
Hi, I'm Nicholas. I'm one of the team managers here at M&S Hatfield.
It's been so great providing opportunities for the local community.
It's been an extremely rewarding experience guiding our candidates through the recruitment process from start to finish, engaging them on all things M&S way and getting them into careers.
I think the training actually gave us a lot more experience to be ready for the job, as a lot of us kind of hadn't been worked for a long time or with a new sort of job.
We partnered with the Hatfield Jobcentre and Marks & Spencer's to offer local people within the community an opportunity to fill vacancies within this new store.
Through our training, we delivered an effective customer service course which prepared all our learners to go into the work experience which was provided by M&S. Following that, they were guaranteed a job interview and we had some wonderful success.
So during the course, we all got on very well, we all become very close friends. We ended up making a group chat, we would keep in contact. We're all still in contact now.
And we had a week's training with SPS, and then those that passed the training went on to go and do a week's work experience with Marks & Spencer's.
We learnt the M&S way, how M&S does their procedures, how to do standards.
And at the end of that we had an interview with another manager, and then we got, some of us were offered the opportunity to work for Marks & Spencer's.
And it's been an amazing experience coaching them, doing on-the-floor training and coaching, guiding them through the process of how to engage on the M&S way.
What's been really rewarding is that some of these colleagues are doing some key roles in our store, and one of the colleagues is now going to progress into a career within M&S, which is fantastic.
So we're here today at the Marks & Spencer's in Hatfield to celebrate the Steps to Skills Employer of the Year award winner, Marks & Spencer's.
The recognition of the awards is the real commitment that these colleagues have made to their role in store, the hard work that has gone in, but also a massive thank you to my store team as well that have supported these colleagues, coached them along the way. It's an absolute credit to everyone.